I've been on YouTube a lot explaining the basic nature of things. So I've been over that over and over again. So there's not much more I can explain with it. Very little more, maybe a little bit, but not much. Now I want to get into the secondary concepts that depend on the basics, right? And the contradictions that scientists have by not getting their basics right. There's Fermat's last theorem, Michelson and Morley, the origin of life, gravity, energy, etc., etc. I'm going to go into that. So I'll sign off at that and see you later.